Hi, I am Divya Joshi. Not too long ago, I was at your place only, figuring out what I have to done after my undergraduation, whether I have to pursue MBA, where in MBA, in finance, in marketing, in HR or what. Then when I came to realize about IIHMR University offering the course of MBA in Development Management, specialization in CSR and ESG, there I got to know that it can make a creative difference and social impact. Not just my job, but I will also do a meaningful time work and it will also help me to create a sustainable job. Here in IIHMR University, MBA in Development Management not only helps you to grow, but also makes you in a very diverse platform. It gives you a diverse platform to focus on marketing, HR, finance, data analytics with CSR and ESG. Talking about my personal experience at IIHMR University, it was a very diversified experience with so much knowledge, field visits and also an impact creating job. I am very thankful to IIHMR University to offer me a position as an ESG Executive at Transvolt Mobility, where I actually worked on my classroom learning into practical learning, from ESG reporting to following all the compliances. Here in MBA Development Management, you will learn all about the CSR and social impact and also the ESG management.